Good morning, guys. Today I'm coming to you. First, I want to say welcome in to my channel. Welcome. If you haven't been here before, please stick around for a while. Take a look around. You might see something that interests you. Yes, I have a wide range of selections for you in my videos below. That said, like, subscribe, and share. So now, down to the business at hand. Today, I am appealing to you. I'm on a marathon. I need to get monetized. Yes, get the points. So, I'm asking you today, I'm on the road to 300. I just need 12 new subscribers. I need you to watch a video at least 3 to 4 minutes long. Once you watch the video, go ahead and make a comment referencing something that is in the video. Like the video and subscribe. That's the way to do it so that it counts. Okay, I want to say thank you in advance, and I'll be back with more marathon videos very shortly. There'll be other surprises. I know some of you are already surprised, but it is what it is. See you in the next video. Thank you for coming. Thank you for subscribing. Love you. Have a great day.